Good workout. बॉलिंग डालो बॉलिंग ये रहा इससे बॉल डालो उधर जाओ उधर 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 जाके बॉल डालो हाँ
Ooh, that's a miss. Bold.
I'm telling you, he will throw it here. Goal.
उसे गर्मी लग गई भैया उसे गर्मी लग गई खेलते खेलते।
हेलो दोस्तों, ओम शंभो। बहुत सारा वेट करने के बाद आज मैं फाइनली शेयर करने वाला हूँ कि what is my travel startup about. So watch till the end of the video so that you exactly know what am I doing. But before we jump into that, थोड़ा लाइफ में कैचअप कर लेते हैं क्या क्या चल रहा है। मैं आपके लिए एक चाय बना देता हूँ। ये एक कप है, मेरा फेवरेट कप है, इसमें पानी डालते हैं और आपके लिए मैंने एक चाय चूज़ करी है जो मैंने ऑलरेडी फाड़ दी है। सॉरी बट दिस इज़ अ तुलसी ग्रीन टी विच इज़ जैस्मिन फ्लेवर्ड, इट्स यूज्ड फॉर अपलिफ्टिंग योर मूड। जैसे ये वीडियो आपकी मूड अपलिफ्ट कर देगी। तो आई बीन ट्रैवलिंग अ लॉट एंड आई कीप मूविंग टू अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस। आई हैवंट बीन एबल टू रियली सिट डाउन एंड मेक वीडियो. So this is a very big video where I catch up with you on a lot of things that has been going on in the last two to 3 weeks. The tea is ready, so I will put this here for you. Enjoy. And like I was saying, nothing is ever planned. मैं कहीं भी कभी भी पहुंच जाता हूँ. And this mandir is so beautiful and integrated with the nature that you won't believe I spent 3 long hours here. And I looked around every corner of this mandir. And the next morning, I was gonna go back home. So I stopped by in Tapovan, Rishikesh for one night. And just when I reached home, on that day, I went for a cycle ride and had an accident. खैर ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं हुआ. The doctor told me either you can get stitches here because I got hit here on my chin, or you can stay silent for the next 2 to 3 days. And I was going to go to Pune in the next 2 to 3 days. So those 2 to 3 days, I just did not speak at all. I did not utter even one word, and that's how I healed this wound over here. Hi friends, we are officially going to Pune for our first formal training program of rural tourism. I'm taking this flight where we get trained on the hands-on tools, the hands-on resources that we need to run and operate a rural farm, which is a big task when you have to manage a huge piece of land, which is at minimum 1 acre. We are on a way to find out what are the best practices to make a rural farm, a rural experience come alive in the best possible experience. So walk with me to Pune. This was a late night flight from Delhi to Pune, and just to end the flight took off. I think 48% of the passengers were fast asleep, but I couldn't sleep at all because of the excitement I had inside me to be there for this program. It's a huge thing for me because if I'm getting trained on how to do rural tourism in India by some experts who've been doing it for the last 20 years, I think it's a great milestone that I was going to cross. So we did that, and you won't believe that my luggage arrived in the last on the belt. Has that ever happened to you?
आपकी पंजाब ये हरियाणा में 1300 एकड़ जगह एक साथ है.
हाँ, एक साथ है.
1300 एकड़ है, उतना पूरा भरता है. कितना आदमी रहता है? 10 दिन करोड़ों आदमी रहता है.
Machine at work.
10 मशीन.
क्या बात है. हेलो. Everybody in the program arrived one night earlier, and I was the youngest one in the whole group. Everybody else was 40 and above. that got me to thinking that how am I going to adjust in the program. But these folks had so much more knowledge about plants, animals, and the rural life that it was fun interacting with them. The first day itself, they plucked out all the leaves and the herbs and the flowers from the garden to make out an aromatic shower, and that's how we all bonded with each other. And it was such a lovely experience to get started in the program. You won't believe that the bathroom had no roof, and who would have imagined that taking a shower in that kind of bathroom would also be an experience.
सो आपका बारामती एग्री एंड रूरल टूरिज्म की तरफ से मैं पांडुरंग तावे आपका स्वागत करता हूँ और आपका प्रथा के हिसाब से सरस्वती पूजन करके हम शुरू करेंगे।
तो इस प्रोग्राम में जाने से पहले एक और कहानी है जो मैं बाद में सुनाऊंगा, बट पहले मैं आपको ये बता देता हूँ कि the Panduram sir that we are seeing in the photo has been to Shark Tank season 1. His startup pitch was the episode 2 of Shark Tank, and we all know that it has been a big thing for the startup world in India. So to be able to be a part of this program was a huge thing for me again, because I was able to meet a founder who has been on Shark Tank and participate in conversations with him. तो मजा आया भाई, genuinely बहुत मजा आया. And you won't believe again कि इस मजा को दुगना तुगना करने के लिए मैं हर सुबह I used to do my meditation with a lot of focus on my breath and the physical injuries that I had. कि क्या है ना कि when you bring the attention to the physical body, it has the capability to heal itself, and that is what I was doing every morning. Good morning, friends. Today कुछ दिनों से मैं इसलिए व्लॉग और रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं कर रहा हूँ, और वो कुछ दिन एक हफ्ता हो गया है. Today I'm feeling better and I'm BIC back in camera. I'm standing IFV in a village. Behind me is a FH farmhouse hosted by none other than the father of agri-tourism, Shri Panduram Taware sir. उनके फार्म हाउस पे हम आए हैं for learning about the practices, learning about the industry, learning about the other people who are working in the same setup, who want to help bring up the rurality of India, but with their own tiny, big, small, large, doesn't matter, but with their concepts of how we can capture this time, this essence of time of the rural villages of India. I'm walking on this empty road, just showing you the beauty around. There's not much to do here. There is no water body around. You can't go to a river. There's no museum. There's no mountain. There's no everything that is called to be a tourist destination. None of this is here. You don't come here for viewing things. You come here to live things like they were 30 years ago, 40 years ago, 50 years ago. And that preservation of time is very evident in this setup. I really want people to come and experience this slowness of life that hits you, that none of this is possible without this food that we grow. Like, these are some underground vegetables. These are onions. I mean, do you even recognize how onions grow? Do you recognize how they are brought to your table? Other than growing food, there is animal husbandry that goes around here. Do you know how animals live until they reach your wardrobe? Not the animals, but the skin of their animals. But they are living here. How do they live? How they are? And that is just a very small portion of the things we have covered up. So today I feel good, fresh, more fresh with this energy, and we're gonna uncover more topics about what is agri-tourism, why it is a nation's pride to be able to host travelers in this setup, and then this extrapolates to the rest of the world because all this living planet has spaces like these which preserve the essence of time and holds that capacity to take you back in time and experience life as it is. Enjoy the sounds, enjoy the peace, enjoy your life.
to drink every day. मुझे अभी ऐसा कोई करता नहीं गाँव में करो तो बोला इधर करो तो इधर ही सब किया उसने so this costed me almost around 78,000.
मांगेल तला वीर ऐसा योजना है पर इतने बड़े के लिए नहीं.
तो आपने जमीन देखा होगा, जमीन कैसा दिखेगा हमारे जमीन देखो नहीं मतलब हार्डली
all rocks are there.
मिट्टी रहेगा बाकी सब
ये इधर ऐसा
इतना भी नहीं मिलता मट्टी, इतना मट्टी भी नहीं मिलता आपका इसमें. करते 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 में उतना होता.
करेक्ट
हाँ वही इधर पहले जब आओगे वो सिंगल पल्टी फ्लो में नहीं जाएगा इधर.
हाँ करेक्ट करेक्ट.
बाद में जितना मेहनत आप
इरिगेशन भी आप लोगों का जल्दी होता है कवर.
हाँ,
तुम
वही.
बोला तो नीचे पत्थर है.
नीचे कैसा है जो ब्लैक कॉटन सॉइल रहता है उसमें नहीं होता जल्दी.
नहीं
ऐसे ही करते करते 3 days खत्म हो गए, पता ही नहीं चला. एंड द लास्ट डे वी विजिटेड सम फार्म्स वेयर वी सॉ हाउ अदर पीपल इन पुणे आर डूइंग रूरल टूरिज्म. This is not exactly what I am doing, not at all, not even close, not even like this much far away my concept with this concept. But अच्छा है, ये रूरल टूरिज्म भी अच्छा है फैमिलीज को एंजॉय करने का. इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग टू अ शॉपिंग मॉल और ईटिंग आउटसाइड, दिस इज अ गुड फॉर्म ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट फॉर अ फैमिली टू बॉन्ड टुगेदर, शेयर सम stories together by being, you know, under a shade of tree, not eating fast food but farm fresh food, enjoying the swings. Aunties are enjoying tractor rides, boys and men are playing cricket, there's rain dance happening. Great stuff. But this is not even close to what I am doing. My form of rural tourism is enabling, optimizing, and curating experiences on farm stays which are more focused on rural life exploration, inner work, and building more and more connections, meaningful connections with the like-minded people. So we are situated, our farms are situated at a disconnect from an urban life, but very close to the urban life as well. So you just take like a 2 hours drive or less than 100 kilometers drive from the center of an urban city, and you move towards a rural village. In that rural village, we do all these experiences. So far, we have onboarded 3 farm stays with us where we are doing these experiences. तो ये सब था आज के व्लॉग में. चाय कैसी लगी आपको? व्लॉग कैसा लगा? If you want to support me, you want to join my mission, please get in touch with me, contact me, and let's explore what we can do together, how you can partner with us, how you can help us build more farm stays, how you can help us curate more experiences, any brand integrations that we can do here. Open to your suggestions, feedback. If you want to come stay at my farm stay, I'm here to host you. All the details will be provided in the description. See you soon in the next vlog. Bye.